guys, ang first stop po natin sa Central ay nasa Landmark tayo. So, papakita ko po sa iyo sa loob ang mga nagmamahalan at naggagandahang mga signature things. So, kung gusto niyo pong mag-shopping, tara, papakita ko po sa inyo. Punta tayo sa loob. Ayokong pumunta sa loob. Wala naman po akong pang-shopping eh. Oh, look. Ang ganda ng mga signature bags nila. Diba? Oh. Ayoko naman pong puntahan yan sa loob dahil makaharangin ako. I think we cannot go there anymore because we have a lot of places to go. So, sorry. This is only the place of Landmark. If you want to shop here, you can come and really a lot of things you can buy here. So, we'll go out and check the other place. That one is the Louis Vuitton shop. We haven't been there anymore, but we've been inside because it's very far from the center where we went before. So this is the center of Central. This one. Over there is going up to Lan Kwai Fong, where you can find a lot of place, restaurants, where you can hang out with friends, drink beers, eat different kind of food. So yes, so you could see a lot of big buildings here, a lot of tall buildings. No. During morning time, this areas is really very busy. It's packed of office employees going to their different kinds of offices, working. So yeah, let's go from here. This is where I'm touring you the place of Worldwide, where this one is packed every Saturday and Sunday. It's full of Pilipinas, because this is where you can find the different kinds of stores and Philippine products you can buy. So let's tour inside and I will show you. You see, you can see a lot of different kind of Philippine products here. So yeah, it's packed.
Dandruff shampoo, ate, bilhin na te. 20 lang po. With coconut oil. Bili na.
Ganda mo naman, darling. Next time na lang, ha? Gusto ko lang mag-picture. Worldwide house.
Ben, 10 na lang, be. $10.
You can see a lot of Philippine products here. See? So this one is packed every Saturday and Sunday sa Pilipinas. You cannot even move. You know, like everything is here. If you want to transfer money, if you want to buy different kind of Philippine products, if you want to buy these cards, CSL or whatever, smart card, if you want to go to a tele-savings account, everything is here. So look. And if you want to eat, I always want to come and eat here, and I love their tuna baguette sandwich. We call this deli French, right? And if you want to buy just forever French jewelry, you can find it here. It's a lot. Let me check. I don't know whether it's real or whatever, but anyway, it's cheaper here. See, look, and it's sale. It costs like, for one necklace costs like 2,799. It almost like nearly 3,000 for one necklace. It's nice, right? See? Oh, that's nice one. It's good, right? There's on sale. Yeah. Look. Oh. There's malunggay here. There's ampalaya there. There's saluyot there. Saging. So many. Oh. More buildings here. Look how central is. I don't know, tikit-tikit ang mga buildings in Hong Kong. And sobra ang mga salute to the engineers and architects of Hong Kong. Really, it's so amazing. Like, how can they build such kind of buildings, you know, very close to each other, and it's very tall, very high. Look, so amazing, so amazing. This how Central is very busy. So traffic also. So yeah. So now we will go to the IFC Mall, which is the second tallest building of Central. This is the office building. Let us go. It's very good. He's singing with the Venus. So guys, just to give you the recap of Central here. This one is the tunnel going to Taiwan. Yeah. There. It's nice. There's even a helicopter. I can't see it now. So here is the place. I'm on the top of the ferries. So if you want to go to Chung Chau, Lantau, Lama, Peng Chau, this is where you have to go. Yeah, there's different kind of pier you need to go. You have to check what places you want to go, whether you want to go to Lantau or Peng Chau or to Lama. Here, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice, right? Look at that. water is so green and blue. That part on the other side is Kowloon side, I think. That one, that ferry is going to Macau, I think. Macau. So yeah, this one is the Hong Kong side. That is where I'm trying to. It's so tall. Look, so tall buildings there. And there's the Ferris wheel there. You can see. Yes. Ito po. Punong-puno po ito lahat ng mga Pilipina. Mga OFWs po. Ito pong lugar na po. Po ang Status Square. Wala pong nag-holiday ngayon. Meron man pero kakaunti lang. O maybe nasa ibang lugar sila. So, ito po ang Status Square. Ito ng mga OFW during Saturdays and Sundays. Ang nakikita pong building niyan ay Hong Kong Bank po. Yan po ang pinaka main branch ng Hong Kong Bank po. Hong Kong Bank. Po, sa kabila ang Princess Building. Ayan. Ayan. Ito ang mga kabayan nating OFW. Dito sila nagmi-meeting ng mga kanilang relatives, friends. Ayan. Ayan po. Marami pong mga mainlanders ngayon dito. At saka, ito po ang sinasabi nilang black men. Ito si Mr. Blackman. Minsan pag nagmi-meeting ang mga OFW, sasabihin na lang nila pumunta ka sa may Blackman. It's very easy for them to meet each other here. Ayan. Ayan. Si Sir Thomas Jackson Bart pala siya. Is Mr. Blackman. So, okay. Maraming mga maluwag dito sa Status Square. Maluwag na maluwag. Maraming upuan kaya dito nagtatagpo-tagpo ang mga kabayan natin. Din po sa baba ng Hong Kong Bank, doon po punong-puno din po yan ng mga OFW natin, mga kabayan natin. So dyan sila nagre-relax tuwing holiday nila dahil it's more convenient po sa kanila. Yan po po sa baba ng Hong Kong Bank. Diyan po. Punong-puno po yan ng mga kabayan natin. OFW. So, yan. Maluwag po ang Status Square. Marami po silang uupuan dito. Minsan nakatutulog na sila. Siguro sa pagod, gano'n. Yan. Puyat. So, this place is really very helpful to our OFW. Ito pong lugar na ito ay isa sa pinaka unforgettable place ng mga OFW, ang Status Square. Yan pong Princess Building na yan ay office building po rin yan, pero sa baba rin po is ground floor, first floor, third floor ay mga shopping mall, restaurant, kagaya ng IFC Mall. So, marami kayong makikitang mga buildings dito na dikit-dikit. Dikit-dikit yan. Doon naman sa kabila is China Bank. China Bank po yung naka-brown na yan. China Bank. So, yan. Nakikita niyo po yung China Bank. Yan po ang neighbors ng China. At dito po natin makikita ang I think it's Hong Kong Court, Judicial Court po ito. Tingnan natin. Ito po. Ito pong building na to. Ayan. Oh, may pinasal. Picture lang pag may time. Ito po yung ang alam ko po dito is court. Judicial court po ito, alam ko. Pero I'm not sure, pinalitan na nila. Transfer nila siguro yung judicial court sa ibang lugar. Pero dito po is yan. May kinasal po. Sana all. Picture lang. Diba? Dito po maraming nagpipicture. Pag gusto nyo pong magpa-picture dito, kung wedding o ano, dito po maraming nagpipicture. Oh, I see. Yeah. This one is the Hong Kong Court. Oo nga, Hong Kong Court siya, Lord. Okay. Ito po ang sinasabi ko sa inyong area ng Hong Kong Bank na every Sunday po is punong-puno. Yan, dyan po. Punong-puno po yan lahat. Yan, dyan. Punong-puno po yan ng OFW. Wala ka pong malakaran dito. Punong-puno. Yan. Ito po ang Lion ng Hong Kong Bank. Yan. Lion. Yan. Ako ba? Lion siya. Dalawa po yan. Isa yan at saka dito po sa kabila. Ayun. Yan siya. Yung pong isa is hindi nakanganga. Ito ba talaga is matapang na tigre, na lion. I know.